Welcome back, students. We are going to continue in Unit 4. We are going to work on the listening section. This is page 40. Page 40 in your student book. So, listening strategy. Make inferences. When you are listening to a lecture, podcast, or radio show, use reasoning to make conclusions about things that are not stated directly. This is called making inferences. You can make inferences by identifying and combining clues using your background experiences and knowledge of the world, thinking about the speaker's relations to each other and view on the topic. Mire, esta es muchas palabras para decir, ustedes necesitan usar contexto para entender. So, and for this section, there is a podcast. The audio is already on the homework assignment, Student Book Unit 4, listening exercise. This is the audio. I will play it for you now. Unit 4, listening, page 40, exercise B. Listen to the podcast. Briefly describe the three processes. Hello, and welcome to today's edition of Modern World. Today, we are going to talk about three important advancements and processes that are helping our environment. The first, desalination, is a process that transforms salty seawater to fresh water. It is used on islands and coastal areas that have a shortage of fresh water. In the past, inhabitants collected rainwater or dug wells. Because this wasn't always enough, they often had to have more water transported by land or boat. One downside of desalination is that installing and maintaining a desalination plant can be very expensive. The second process is renewable clean energy. Carbon emissions from vehicles, industries, and heating increase pollution in the modern world. Greenhouse gases are destroying the ozone layer, changing the climate globally, and causing serious health problems. Alternative sources of energy, such as solar or wind power, are environmentally friendly but require costly installations. So scientists have been researching ways of transforming CO2 to usable energy. The third process we will discuss today, DNA engineering, has made it possible for people to produce stronger and healthier plants and increase crops. It has also been used to add essential minerals and vitamins to basic food products. However, many people are against genetic modification as they consider it harmful to health and are afraid that it might lead to scientists modifying the DNA of human babies next. All right, so those are the three processes. So you need to listen and you need to briefly describe the process. Process 1, process 2, and process 3. All right, listen. If you don't understand the audio, type the words in your phone and use Google Translate. It will help you. So, una oración aquí para proceso 1, una oración aquí para proceso 2, y mismo proceso 3. And that is everything for listening. No necesitas hacer ejercicio C. Está bien. Adiós.